Welcome to the lesson on vowels in Sanskrit language. In this lesson, we will be learning the Sanskrit alphabets that are called vowels. There are 13 vowels in Sanskrit language. Let's have a look at them one by one. A, E, E, U, U, R, R, L, A, I, O, Au, and Aha. Now that we have seen the vowel sounds in Sanskrit, let's have a look at some simple words in Sanskrit that uses these vowel sounds. A, Agnihi. A, Akashaha. I, Induhu. I, Ishwaraha. U, Uta. U, Ulluka. R, Rituhu, which means seasons. R, which means move. A, Ekaha. I, Airavataha. O, Oshtaha. Au, Aushadam. Amsal, which means strength. Aha, which means Lord Mahavishnu. Thank you for watching the lesson on vowels in Sanskrit language. Please take a moment to use the quiz section in this course to check if you have got all the vowel sounds correctly.